It's my pleasure to take part in this program of the audiovisual program of the ILC. I believe it's a great program, and I'm very honored to be able to take part in it. My name is Hussein Hassouna. I'm a member of the International Law Commission since 2006, and I am from Egypt, former ambassador of Egypt and legal advisor of the Egyptian Foreign Ministry. But I started my career in the 6th Committee, so now I'm in the ILC. I will try to share with you my thoughts about the challenges facing the ILC, but also its tremendous achievements.